I just installed my slip-on, but as you can probably tell by this picture, the exhaust looks pristine and the collectors looks ugly as hell because they have a lot of grime and they have never been properly cleaned. So today, with the help of a drill and a little bit of steel wool, we're gonna fix that, or at least try to do it. And we're gonna do it fast without breaking anything. I have already went in a little bit with the steel wool and it's working fine. And we're gonna continue doing that with a little bit of help. It works like an absolute charm. It is looking much better already, but there is just stuff that it looks like it's freaking embedded on the thing. I think to make this look proper, I'm gonna need to polish it. There is no way around it. And there are too many crevices. Have the wire brush now, which also works fine. So I'm gonna go in the smaller places with the multi-tool and try to make it a little bit decent. But yeah, to make a proper job, I'm gonna need to remove the collectors completely, but it's not something I'm willing to do right now at all. I know it does not look perfect, but it looks so much better anyway. And I have to admit that it's so addicting to clean it up. It took 3 victims from the multi-tool. Look at how it is, man. It's absolutely destroyed. But I mean, yeah, it doesn't look perfect, but it's not too bad. These stains, they just don't go away. It's way too embedded in the pipe itself, so it would need polishing, which is not too bad. At least there is no rust, right? Maybe in the future I take the collectors off and give them a proper clean, but I don't think I'm gonna do that today, especially because it's winter and there are still so many salty days to go. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the result. Here's a little bit of a closer look. These are the stains that I'm telling you doesn't go away. If you saw the exhaust video, I cleaned the stain up as well as I could. You can very well see the difference. I didn't want to go here. Maybe I should have, but I was too lazy and I ran out of brass. I think overall decent job. Oh, and if you use the multi-tool with brass thingies, wear your glasses because my face is full of brass and I could feel the chips going all over the place. So yeah, wear your glasses. And now I'm gonna give this thing a wash just in case there are any metallic bits around. I really don't want that on the back. That's why I didn't wash before, because I didn't want it to get stuck to it. So now I'm gonna give it a pressure wash and see you guys in the next one.